Did you know that if you're walking in a crosswalk in Massachusetts and you're struck by a car, the law presumes that you are in the right and the car is in the wrong? Hi, my name's Neil Crowley. I'm a Massachusetts personal injury trial lawyer with offices in downtown Boston and in Dedham. The law in Massachusetts has provided a level of protection to people who walk in crosswalks. What happens if the driver later tries to say that you were at fault and that you ran in front of him in the crosswalk? Well, that's when we do an investigation. We'll investigate the area to see if there are any witnesses to the accident, and we'll take statements from them, as well as statements from you and a statement from the person in the other car. We'll also take pictures to see how the intersection is laid out, if it's at an intersection, or how the crosswalk lies in relation to the street. In addition, we also take testimony at something called a deposition. And some of the questions we'll ask is, where was that person coming from? And where were they going to? Were they in a hurry? Were they late to go somewhere? Were they using their phone? We can also subpoena their phone records. Would they be texting at the time? Were they doing something else that makes them distracted or unaware of that you were in the crosswalk at the time? These are all things that we can do to show that you are more likely right than wrong, and you have the right to collect for your injuries against the car when you were hit in the crosswalk. Why do I tell you this? Helping people in these situations is something we do every day. This situation may be new to you. You have questions. Here's what I want you to do. I'd like you to give me a call. My name is Neil Crowley. My phone number is 781-251-0555. Thanks for watching.